At IB Canada Group, we are your complete and independent source on the infinite banking concept, serving Canadians from coast to coast.
The IBC Canada Group is committed to helping Canadians regain control of their finances or recapture the banking function in our own lives. My name is Wayne Durksen, and this presentation will focus on opportunity cost. Albert Einstein once said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it, those who don't pay it. We also need to understand that cash and capital are not synonymous. Capital has an acquisitive capacity to it. It has the ability to reproduce. Properly understood, it is steeped in opportunity. So opportunity cost is either earned and expanded, or it is paid and expensive. Let me give you an example. Working with a 29-year-old male and understanding that life expectancy is currently 85, this gives him 56 years of opportunity. If he had $1,000 of capital, meaning he's never going to part ownership with it, he's simply going to use it, leverage it, and replenish it, earning 5% interest, his opportunity cost with those dollars is $15,367. So anytime he's about to do any kind of expenditure, he needs to be mindful of that opportunity cost. Unfortunately, there are constantly needs for purchases, and so many people, failing to understand this, they take their cash and they exchange it for an item, and they end up losing their opportunity cost of $15,367. That can be very shocking. And imagine if you understood opportunity cost and you could earn it rather than pay it. What would that look like? It would look like replenishing that $1,000 that you utilized to make the purchase. In the process, you would recapture $13,623 of opportunity. That is a big deal. But if we understood that we finance everything we buy, we either borrow capital from someone else and pay interest, or we give up our cash and we lose interest, we would actually say, I'm not going to part with my capital. I'm going to pay myself 5% for the use of my capital, or an additional $128 when we're replenishing our pool, which would bring back the full $15,367 of full opportunity. So for $128 of interest, we've recaptured $1,744 of opportunity those dollars can earn for us. It's worth noting that failing to understand this, you pay a very high ignorance tax. Lost opportunity cost is very expensive. It makes CRA look like our best friend rather than the tax-grabbing system that it is. If IBC Canada can help you in any way understand this and begin to apply this principle in your life, we'd be delighted to hear from you.
IB Canada Group, your independent authority for information on the infinite banking concept.